Deforestation and climate change threaten two of the world's most vital ecosystems, the Amazon and the Atlantic rainforest. But what if the solution could grow right from the forest floor? Developed by Arcadis with Brazilian agricultural institutions and supported by the Green Climate Fund, the Cacao Brasil project brings together forest regeneration, social inclusion, and sustainable economic development. Through nature-based solutions, the project regenerates 12,500 hectares of forest, supports over 70,000 farmers directly, and offsets more than 5 million tons of carbon dioxide. This is more than reforestation. It's about cultivating opportunity, empowering rural communities, generating income, valuing traditional knowledge, and connecting people through sustainable cacao. From sustainable cacao come new products, artisanal chocolate, and natural cosmetics that link forests and cities, nature, and economy. It's a living, inclusive model that shows how prosperity and preservation can grow together. From the heart of the Amazon to the corridors of the Atlantic forest, Cacao Brasil proves that protecting nature means investing in people, and that regeneration is a story we can all be part of.